Today we're making tomato passata. We are chopping the tomatoes. Look how juicy they are.
Those are beautiful tomatoes, man.
Yeah, use these tomatoes.
One go.
Some Italian grandmas like to use bell peppers, and I'm using red, but you can use green if you want, or you don't have to add bell peppers. But it's just to add a little bit.
Flavor?
For flavor.
Good.
Extra.
3, 1, go.
We add water.
Very good.
Add salt.
All right, Manny. So what do we do now?
Stir it.
All right. So we're gonna let the tomato simmer a little bit.
Yes.
Until it gets tender.
Until it gets tender. Okay.
Awesome. All right, Manny. So what are we doing now?
We are adding the basil.
We're adding the basil, and you already blended the tomatoes.
Yes.
Awesome.
And let's pour it in the jars.
All right, very good. Let me help you with that. Hold this, please. Do you want to put more basil, or that's enough?
So what do we do now?
So Daddy is gonna put the sauce inside the jars. Manny already put the basil at the bottom. Manny, so we fill it to the top, or is that okay?
That's okay.
Perfect. A generous amount of olive oil. One. All right, so now we have the sauce in the jar. Manny is tasting it. So how is it, Manny?
Good.
Can I taste it too? Let me taste it.
Let's do it.
Manny, so what are we doing now?
We are making a simple pasta, which is spaghetti, and
Usted bien aprendido, güey. Es cruzar de vez en cuando, porque muchas veces creen que viven sola. Bueno, esas
And go. All right, Manny. So what do we have now?
we got extra virgin olive oil.
Fantastic. All right, Manny. So what are we doing now?
Adding the tomato passata that we made.
Oh, awesome. That's fantastic. To eat it. All right, Manny. So what are we doing now?
Putting the spaghetti in the sauce.
Awesome.
Pasta for pastas, for pizzas, and also do it with meatballs. We put the pasta in. Add lovely basil on top. This is the ultimate tomato passata. Yummy. Very good.